Sup guys, Devin Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're doing part 3 of the Nebo Expo. This one is going to be my favorite yet. This one is pro stock racing, so it's all going to be in the Predator 212s, but you can modify it however you want, except you cannot bore it or stroke it. There's the only rules. You can put nitrous, you can cam the crap out of it, you can do everything under the sun besides stroke and bore it. So these things get wild, so let's jump in. Damn. Hold it.
I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. Whoa. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and fight and die.
All right, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Keith was our cameraman. Thank you, Keith, for filming this video for us. His reactions on it was fantastic. And then if you've seen from a few of the clips, I was helping line up the people, and I was messing with the guys when they were lining up, just joking with them and just helping see who won and everything. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing in my channel, go out and go find your passions.